Introduction to the automatic vehicle headlight and cabin lights controlling. So in this part we are using PIC 18F4520 PIC microcontroller, and also we are using two LDRs, three pods, and also using 5 switches and 2 push buttons, and also using 2 switch for the indicators. So these are the internal lights and these are the external lights. So this is the car forward side and this is the car backward side. So these are the front lights and these are the back lights. So in the front lights we have a orange color indicator lights, and also we have a white lights. At the same time we have a back side orange indicator lights and one headlights, two headlights and two red lights. In this project, so the main concept is automatically control the internal headlights based on the LDR. At the same time, automatic controlling of the external headlights based on the LDR intensity. So first of all, we will see uh, how to upload the code in the microcontroller. Just double click on the microcontroller. In this one, we need to choose the program file. So we will provide the program file. So this is the program file. So the program file will be saved in the X file only. Just select this one. Just press on OK and run here. So the program is running here. So this is the door. So if I press the door, then the internal lights will be on up to 5 seconds. After it will be off automatically. So we can see this off automatically, and also so these LERs in low light positions, when the LER, if we move the light nearly to this LER, so which means day. So now these were the to on the headlights, these internal lights. So just switch on this one. So we can see internal lights are in on position when the LDR is in low light position. So if the LDR is in high light position, then it will be stop off automatically. In low light, so we can see LDR is in on position. At the same time, if we want to control the right side of these lights or left side of the lights, just switch on the switch and increase the port 2. So before switch on this one, so we can increase or decrease to these two LDRs using this port. So now I'm decreasing the intensity of the internal lights. So we can see, so the intensity is decreasing. So it is a low intensity. So we can increase or decrease this light intensity based on the port also. Now I'm increasing the port value, which means internal light intensity increasing. So now switch on this switch. If we decrease this port value, so we can see we can control the left side of the internal light. I am increasing this one. And if you want to control the right side of this internal lights. For that one you need to press this switch, and now for that one you need to, so for right side controlling, so we need to use this port. So now I am decreasing these values, so we can observe the left side internal lights which is decreasing here. Now I am increasing the port values, so the right side of the LEDs are increasing intensity. So they switch off this one. So if you want to control the left side or particularly right side of the intensity, for that one we will use these two switches. This for the right side, sorry, left side switch, and this is for the right side LEDs switch. At the same time, if you want to control these two internal LEDs, left and right, for that one we will use this switch. And also this is for the total internal LED intensity controlling port, and this is the left side intensity controlling port, and this is the right side intensity controlling port. You have to understand, so whenever the light intensity of the LER is low, then only these two lights will be in on position. If the LER light intensity is high, which means day, then it will be automatically off. In the same way, headlights of this car also works. For the headlight, we will use this switch, so we can see headlight from front side and back side are in on position. So if the it is come nearly to the day position, which means it is earlier in high intensity position, this lights automatically off. If it is decreased, which means in night position, then we can see these two LEDs in on position. At the same time, this push button is using for the brake. So if I press the brake, then we can see red light indication. So if I remove, then it will be stop. At the same time, we can see this switch is for the handbrake. So if I press this one, then we can see continue. Red lights are in on position. So if I remove, then it will be off. And also if you want to off the lights, just switch on, switch off this switch. And also if you want to use the indicators, for the indicators purpose, we are using this switch. So for the left indication, we will see here, we can see the orange lights are blinking. For the right indication, we will use here, so the arrow mark is coming back down, so we can see the lights are glowing here. So we can see deeply of this one. So here we can observe the arrow marks for the left and 0 and the right one. So in this way, we connected these connections to the PIC microcontroller. So this is the total circuit diagram. So in this way, this project will be works. Thanks for the watching.